preparing the track rod ends or tie rod ends for new wheels next week, and this was very rusty, so a little bit of propane, heat, WD-40 plus gas, still hot, brush, and Milwaukee never fails. Yeah. So now I'm going to do the other side in a sec. We're going to give this a good clean up. So hopefully that will make it nice and easy for when they're doing the tracking and they don't break. So I'm just going to clean up these threads. Ideally, I'll buy a new bolt, but I didn't really plan that. I'll give it a good clean so it goes back in. Sweet! So I can tell that this is the newer side because this bolt is much newer. And with a lot of heat and persuasion, I have managed to get a little bit of movement on here. I'm not going to do too much, but it's just enough that it's broken the rust. So I'm going to put that all back together, a bit more penetrant, but that side will be fine. So yeah, hopefully they'll be able to do the other side for me because I just can't do it and I don't want to break it.